What is the meaning of moving within, living within, and awakening within? That is the journey of any meditation, every meditation, all mindfulness practices. Moving within is nothing but rise in consciousness or rise in awareness. We are awake throughout the day. In a waking state, I'm talking about. But are we aware in a waking state? We are not. Normally, we are not aware. And the moment you lose that awareness, even when you are in a waking state, the impure mind is going to attack you, causing you the trouble, stress, and the suffering in our life. Why Master says listening and learning from a teacher to find inner happiness is very important. First simple answer, there are only two types of the knowledge. One type of the knowledge, what I am not, pertains to the world, people, relationship, personal, professional, social life, stress, suffering. And the other, second type of the knowledge is who am I? Who am I is peace and happiness. I don't know. I have never heard it. I have never learned it. The principles and the practices are different. The manuals are different to find the inner peace and happiness. It cannot go with the science. How to reset life? Good question. But how to reset life for peace and happiness is the right question. We have to find the answer. What life consists of, how to deal with the situation, condition, and events in daily life, how to live in the world day by day, and how to create one's future, and how to discover the goal of life and pursue. These are the few questions. If we understand it clearly, we get the answer, we will find out how to reset the life.